Understanding Sign a Truce, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, sign a truce. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, understanding these words will help you grasp not just the language, but also some interesting cultural and historical contexts. So, let's dive in. Sign a truce literally means to formally agree to stop fighting or arguing, usually temporarily. This phrase comes from the world of international relations and warfare, where opposing sides agree to a ceasefire. However, it's also used in everyday language to describe resolving disagreements or conflicts in personal or professional life. Understanding the historical background of sign a truce adds depth to its meaning. Historically, truces have been used in wars and conflicts as a means of creating peace, even if temporarily. The most famous example is the Christmas Truce of 1914 during World War I, when soldiers on both sides stopped fighting to celebrate Christmas together. In modern times, sign a truce is often used metaphorically. It can refer to resolving a workplace disagreement, making peace in a family argument, or even two friends deciding to end a feud. This phrase emphasizes the importance of peace and resolution over continuous conflict. 1. After hours of debate, the committee members finally decided to sign a truce and agree on a compromise. 2. The two rival soccer fans signed a truce and watched the game together in harmony. 3. It's time for us to sign a truce and move forward for the sake of the team. These examples show how sign a truce can be versatile in various contexts, conveying a sense of resolution and peace. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, sign a truce, and its various applications in English. Remember, language is not just about words but the stories and history they carry. Keep exploring and stay curious. Until next time, happy learning!